I just thought I'd come in with a video for this 2000 Honda Civic, 1999 Honda Civic 1.4. I'm going to change the air filter on it, but what I mainly want to talk about is it's now been on YouTube for about a year now. It's becoming more and more apparent that the quality of videos is very, very important, which I probably knew, and now my subscribers are starting to sort of increase. I think it's about time that I started to offer a better quality of video. I think just to say thank you really for the people who are watching my stuff and giving me the thumbs up, and then trying to sort of get away from the people who are giving me the thumbs down and giving them obviously what they want. So here I am trying to do that. So I'm going to do this Honda Civic air filter. I've done a video so far. Wasn't very impressed with the quality, to be honest. So I'm going to do it again. And there's a few more videos coming as well that I'm going to review, and a lot of new stuff coming as well. I've got a Peugeot 306 stuff coming up. I've got more jobs to do on this Honda Civic. There's a Ford's coming in as well that I'm going to be doing. These are 8mm, by the way. There's very other stuff I'm going to be doing as well, which hopefully you'll be interested in. What's becoming more apparent as well is that there's a lot of DIYs out there who are just starting out, and they need a bit of direction as well. So even though there's some great videos out there, some of it does miss the point and does miss what people are looking for, especially when they're starting out. From a pro to pro point of view, this is a man filter, by the way. That's the part number, Honda Civic. Give it a wipe out. Use a hoover if you have to. These Hondas are pretty good, to be honest, for air filters. There's a lot of ducting in there, and a lot of stuff gets trapped before it actually gets here. So good quality air filter. I don't recommend anything of poor quality if you can get genuine parts, and even better. I know it's quite expensive, but it's worth going down that avenue if you've got a bit of money, because it will last. Using my DeWalt screwdriver, I've done a review on that, which I'll put in the description. So yeah, that's what I've got coming. I'm going to do the fuel filter on this as well. That's worth doing. There's a lot involved in that. Depressurising the systems. I mean, there's quite a few videos out there on this sort of stuff anyway, but some of them do miss some of the most important stuff, like depressurising fuel systems. What happens when parts come in and don't have the O-rings and all that sort of stuff. So this one's a start for 10. This is going to replace the one I've already got. Hopefully this is a bit more informative and a bit better quality. Camera wise, I don't have the best cameras in the world. A lot of this is done on my phone, but I do have a good quality phone. Like I say, subscribe to my channel. If you don't like what you see, let me know, but be constructive. Don't start slagging me off or whatever like I see on a lot of other channels. Give us a thumbs up, and hopefully we can get this stuff moving towards 1,000 subscribers, which is what I'm aiming for. I don't get paid for this either. There's no the stuff I use, I don't get sponsorships or anything like that, so I'm just doing what I recommend purely, and what I've done and used in the past. If I'm not using it, it's either too expensive or it's a load of crap. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully people are following it. We'll start sharing more stuff, and hopefully start getting more subscribers. So thanks for watching.